Hello everyone, it's good to see you. I'm Roby, I'm your tour guide that will escort you throughout the tour. I welcome you all to Matsushima Bay here in Honshu, Japan. For those who do not know about Honshu, let me first share to you an infinitesimal knowledge concerning to it. So, Honshu is the largest island known in the mainland of Japan. It is a mountainous region known for frequent earthquakes. The majority population in Honshu Island resides in and out around Tokyo and Yokohama. The economy here is mainly devoted to fishing and agriculture. To commence our tour, a good way to enjoy the bay is to get on a cruise boat, and of course, we will pay first 1,000 yen for adults and 800 yen for children. It includes already here one packed lunch and one drink. No need to worry at all, but if you would prefer to bring your own food and beverages, of course you may do. But please be reminded that we're having a water tour and a land tour, so take good care of your gadgets such as cameras. So guys, keep your eyes open to the beauty of Matsushima Bay. Matsushima Bay, the inner part of Sendai Bay, immediately south of the Ojika Peninsula on the east coast of Honshu. The name means Island of Pines, which referred to the pine-covered islands and islets, more than 260 in number, which give this area its special character. As we turn over here, you will see the scenery of the region diversified by its varied rock formations and the bizarrely shaped trees which grow in its candy soil. Matsushima became well known in the early 17th century when Masamune Date, a famous feudal lord in the area, restored the Zuiganji Temple, which was originally constructed in the 9th century near Matsushima. Around the end of the 9th century, Matsuo Basho in 1644 to 1694, who was considered as the master of haiku-poetic literature, visited Matsushima and gave it the highest praise because of the beautiful scenery in his book entitled Okonu and Utsumichi. And now, we're coming to Fukura Island. We're going to take off from the cruise boat so that we could see the full view of Fukura Island. As you will see, Fukura Island or Fukurajima is a pine-covered island in Matsushima Bay, reached via a 252-meter-long red painted bridge. Together with Oshima, on the opposite side, Fukurajima is one of the bay's few islands that are accessible to the public. But unlike Oshima, Fukurajima is not free to visit. There is a 200 yen bridge toll to be paid on entrance. You may have noticed that there is not much to see on the island besides plants and views of the bay. But as you walk through the bridge, you can enjoy some nice views of the bay along the way. It is something that refreshes your body, and because of the fresh air you take, all of your problems would be neglected. As we come back to the base, there is a Kenran Tea Pavilion over there. It was originally built in Kyoto by famed Shogun Toyotomi Hideyoshi. This was eventually moved to Matsushima Bay, Date Sadamone in 1645, and is the largest Momoyama-style tea house in Japan. Kenran Tea Pavilion is also an excellent place to stop after the tour on Matsushima Bay for a 200 yen cup of tea. It includes here also the traditional Japanese sweets. In staying here, you can witness the beautiful sunset over the bay, and you will see also the beauty of Matsushima culture. That would be the last part of our tour. I hope you enjoy, and most of all, you get what you pay for in visiting in Matsushima Bay. I hope to see you again. Domo arigato. Soshite, sayonara, kanku kyako.